Let's head on out to Jacqueline Schultz. So, Jacqueline, what do people need to know if they already got the vaccine?
So many people are asking tonight, are they at risk? Am I okay? So we asked health officials these questions. And here is one question that so many of you have at home. Has anyone locally experienced any negative side effects? The answer from health officials, out of 47,000 doses given here in Clark County, 50 people reported adverse side effects. Now, those side effects were pain at the site of injection, fatigue or dissonance right after injection, but none of them involved any hospitalization or the blood clots, the 6 cases that were reported nationwide. The next question so many people have today, should this worry me about any vaccine? The answer from health officials today, no severe incidents have been reported in Nevada from any doses. In fact, the COVID-19 task force says there have been no hospitalizations or severe incidents from the 1.5 million doses given throughout Nevada. And out of the millions of doses across the country, they have been deemed to be safe and any issues are extremely isolated. Now, finally, there are plenty out there who are disappointed by this news, disappointed by the pause. What if they really wanted to get Johnson & Johnson? Will I still be able to get it at some point? The answer, Nevada and the health district are still waiting for federal guidance. So there's a federal advisory meeting from the CDC tomorrow. They're going to vote and decide what exactly should be done. The Southern Nevada Health District is waiting for guidance. For now, anyone is asked if they have Johnson & Johnson, monitor their symptoms for the next 3 weeks if they have any abdominal pain, any leg pain, or any other issues. And the governor said today in today's press conference he is aware that the process will need to happen and they will wait and see what needs to be done. Coming up on FOX5 News at 10, I'm going to talk about how this is hindering at this point other local events and clinics across the valley with this quick change up so quick. But now let's send it over to Les Crittenden, where he's at the Cashman Center, and there were people pretty disappointed this morning when they found out they were not going to get Johnson & Johnson.
Yeah, they were, Jacqueline. They were disappointed, but at the same time, they were relieved that they had the option of either going to Pfizer or to the Moderna vaccine. The bottom line is everybody that we talked to here today, they were just relieved that they can actually get a vaccine. Officials told us today that there was enough supply of both Pfizer and Moderna brands to handle those who booked appointments for them today. For those who preferred the Johnson & Johnson dose, they could choose one or two of the other vaccines that were made available, or they could have just sit out and wait out the federal ordered pause and then come back at a later date. So some that we talked to over at the convention center earlier today thought the pause was a good idea.
I have friends that have taken it, and a couple of people that I do know are not doing well behind it.
So the bottom line is the two conventions, the convention center as well as the Cashman Center, they're going to continue to offer Pfizer as well as Moderna. And as for their Johnson & Johnson vaccination stuff that they have, they're going to just put that in storage and wait until the pause is lifted. Reporting live, Les Crittenden, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.